Testing, testing. Hello, YouTube. It's your main man, BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. It's turbo turn up time. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Let's go. Let's go. It's turbo turn up time. Remember, turbo, turbo, turbo. So thanks for joining the channel. Thanks for tuning in to BTM. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the super chats. And also join the Twitter page to stay current on your favorite meme token, your favorite AI generated meme, your favorite toad, your favorite turbo, 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 the turbo turn up time. Let's go. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being part of the Turbo Toad Revolution. Shout out to the Turbo Revolution, the Turbo Toad Army, the Turbo Toad Warriors, and Turbo Turn Up. Let's go. Let's go. So let's show you the crypto bubbles real quick. And it appears Turbo is up 16.3%, down 1.5 last hour. And we are currently 0052. And remember, yesterday I said we probably going to get to 006 by Friday, which is looking really profitable, right? It's probably going to happen. What's up, Texas crypto? What's up, Harlem Fashion? What I said once, Bitcoin skyrocket, turbo will go crazy. We need the bull run to start. Be patient, my friend. Patience. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Let's go. What up, Robert? Back to what I was saying. So, 0.6, what is this? 0.0052, definitely going to push up again tomorrow. So it's been up at least 15% since Sunday, I think. Got to go back and check. Let's look at everything else in the market real quick. 12.5 for Myro. ZBCN is 11.1. Book of Memes 6.3. Osmosis is 11.9. Ingest is 8.1. Fetch is 8.1. Beam is 9.4. Bittender's 16.8 up 16.6. Movado is 27.8. IMX is 12.2. EHEX is 10.6. I might look into EHEX. EHEX has been pretty consistent. Hoppy's up 7. Pith is up 7.1. Flux is up 4.4. Fetch is up 8.1. Gala is up 8.6. Everything else looks to be pretty consistent. And let me know what you guys think as we go back to Twitter. Do you think Turbo is going to get above 0.06 by Friday? And I was going to pull up the coin ranking. Let's see where we are. Is it? Yeah, we'll try coin market cap. So thanks for joining. Just trying to rebuild my community. Okay. So we were on is it coin market cap? Let me see here. Yeah. We'll go to memes, trying to see the market cap of the meme environment. Bitcoin's up to 60,000. And where are we? So Turbo is what's this? 001. You guys see this? Am I looking at this right? What is this? What is this? That's weird. That is weird. I don't know. You saw that, right? Yeah, zero. You saw that, right? I'm not tripping. Am I tripping? I need to go back and rewind that. It literally said 001. That is crazy. You saw that? Let me go back. Can I rewind this video? I don't understand what happened there. It said zero. It said 0.01 for turbo. Anyway, so we're at 211. I think we're at 213, 215 yesterday. So we're up to 341 million. If we push past Sundog, we're gonna be in, this isn't right. 200, I guess. Why is it not sorted by market cap? What is going on here? What is going on with coin? Let me see. What happened here? So yeah, I guess we can push up to 137 if we hit 400 million market cap, right? So this is 341. Cat in a dog's world is 383. So there's a gap between 383 and 433. So that'd be 124 and 135. Currently, we're at 212. Let's see if we can find turbo on. Yeah, maybe something's weird with my internet connection because here it is again, 0.01. I'm tripping. Texas crypto, what is going on here? What is going on? Man, let me just get this real quick. I know I'm not losing my mind. It's still loading though, but this is weird. This is weird. Something strange is going on. Okay, so let's see. Yes, sir. What's up, BTM Turbo M? These past 2 days have been excited, right? Everybody's talking about Turbo is boring. It's a boring meme stock. Sometimes you got to go with boring to get to where you need to be. I know for a fact my Turbo went up $1,000 today, and I didn't do anything, right? Went up. Let me see where we at. Just opening this real quick. Yeah, so we were up 20%. So now I'm up like $800 in one 24-hour period. And that's only up 15%. And we're at 005. Hopefully to push up to 006. Why is this not updating? What the freak is going on with CoinMarketCap? Oh, what is this new? Maybe just my internet's glitching out today. Um, you tripping. Hey, BTM Turbo added another 130 holders today. The pump is imminent. Let's close this out just for a second. See what. Also notice Binance added 300 million Turbo to their wallet today. Now they are the 5th largest holder. Let's go. Turbo turn up time. Turbo, turbo, turbo. Let me see. And you're right. Holders is up 0.3% to 8,669, pushing up to that 39,000. It's coming, guys. Just be patient. Let me see. And close out something here because something's slowing down. So Turbo's at 340 million market cap, which just started really pumping. I was expecting more from Binance, but I'm still good with this, right? I'm still making money. So regardless, things are looking good for Turbo. So let's go to Twitter. This is Brian at Crypto. After Turbo's listing Binance, he's locked and loaded and ready to fire up the charts like a revolver and a cannon. Okay. Not 100% how to revolver and a cannon, but hey, it will go up, I guess. Turbo's recharge. We've been grinding through the market sluggish months, expanding into Web3. Now we're aiming for the top. Our community is unstoppable and our time has come. Shout out to the Turbo Toad. And this is actually pretty cool. I might need to snag this image. But yeah, Turbo is about to run. And there's nothing nobody can do since we've been listed on Binance. It's just going to keep pumping. And I think the FOME meeting is tomorrow. And if they do announce a rate cut, look for big green candles in the crypto market tomorrow, probably tomorrow afternoon, just in BlackRock and Microsoft to launch a 30 billion artificial intelligence investment fund. And I think somebody mentioned in the feed, go ahead and snag up Turbo. So this is roaring, screaming toad. That's Turbo up 7,543% for the year. And that was at 009. So this is 005. I guess this is earlier today. Up another 15.2%. What's up, ha ha, wah wah? What's going on, man? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And what's up with the super chat? Might want to click on the right X. Together, Turbo and what is this? Kazaa, you create a powerful synergy. This partnership embodies the embrace of AI technology and unwavering community. Together we stand. Shout out to King Turbo. And I need to look up this kid's shoe. First built token from decentralized AI inspired by Satoshi's principle. What is this? I don't know, but they're having an AMA about this on Friday. So I'm anxious to see what this is. Turbo and Kidju, a dynamic duo stronger than the strongest bonds, favoring every bite of the meal because great partnerships deserve great food. What is this partnership with Kazooie? What is this Kazooie? I need to look this up actually. Let me know if you saw this announcement and what exactly it is there. Don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Twitter page and follow us on YouTube. And I hadn't even checked the Discord. Been crazy busy, guys. I need to see what else is going on in the Discord. This is Sid Jackson. The absolute winner is Turbo, replying to BTM and Turbo token. And this toad has a tail. Do toads have tails? I think tadpoles do, but I think once you get the toad, the tail's gone. Interesting. Go Turbo 0054. Am I on my? Oh, I need to check my cubic price actually. Let me see. Wakey, wakey eggs and B toads. Hope you enjoyed the nap Turbo. After a few stops, Turbo continues his journey to the moon. Join this adventure and don't look back. Turbo, 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 turbo turn up time. And this is Turbo Tracker. As you see, Turbo held a trading volume that was consistently around 50 million per day, which is already absurd, but it may have just become otherworldly. Turbo turned volume is 175 million on the day. Turbo, get ready for battle. Buyers versus sellers results 1 billion daily trading volume. LTF. Load Lift the toe. What is LT? I don't know. This is Turbo's about to cut them zeros. Turbo is special. Turbo is definitely different. How much do you think Turbo can pump tonight? How much do you think Turbo can pump? How much do you think tonight can pump? I was actually wondering that myself, actually. I'm thinking it's not going to do a whole lot. So we got a MACD cross. We've been building volume, and looks like we're coming up on another MACD cross. We'll check the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart shows the MACD cross, and we start to lose volume. The volume is here. RSI is down, kind of flat. So I think people are waiting on what happens tomorrow in the meeting. And again, I'm telling you guys, I don't think we're going to get what we think we're going to get. I think if it's a rate cut, it's going to be a very small rate cut. If he cuts 0.5 or 0.75, things are going to get crazy. Strap your seatbelts in, put your tables to the full upright position, and get ready for the ride. I need to find my turbo memes with the turbo rockets. I need to start bringing my rocket ship stuff out. Do you think Turbo? Do you think Tiger? Do you think Penny soon? I think Penny soon. Actually, um, probably gonna be a couple of weeks, but it's gonna push up hard. If they cut this interest rate tomorrow, it's gonna push up hard. Then it's gonna pull back. It's gonna come. Let me see. Where are we? It's gonna push past the 6 probably tomorrow. I said Friday before, but I'm thinking probably tomorrow. And be in this 8 region, it's gonna hit this 0.8 and come back down. Next week, when it comes back down to about zero point 0.7, zero point 0.6 again, and then it's going straight to the penny. That's what I think. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. I'm just trying to rebuild my community. Turbo turn up time. Let's go. So this is the Turbo Tracker. If you get a chance, check out the Turbo Tracker and donate to turbotracker.com. We need every little penny, dollar, nickels, dimes, anything you can provide or spare to help the Turbo Toe community grow. We're just trying to rebuild a community, just trying to keep Turbo pumping as we get ready for this massive pump that's coming. I'm telling you guys, something is brewing, right? Why did these guys list Turbo on Binance and KuCoin in the same day, right before the FOMC meeting? I'm telling you, these guys might cut the interest rate, which I doubt, but they might cut the interest rate. And when they do, there might be an announcement, a big announcement that comes out of nowhere involving Turbo Friday, right? It's weird. Every time we have an AMA lined up, something else happens right before the AMA, and then we end up talking about it in the AMA, or something starts to come together for the AMA. All-time high 0097, all-time low 00065. I wish I'd have bought more when it was 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros versus 2 zeros. But I did have it, but I sold some, and now I'm DCAing back in. Open was 004, high was 005, low was 0044, close 0052. So I think we might drop a zero. This is a magic word. This is a magic word. It will mark the true. This is a magic word. You say so, ha ha, wah wah. I believe you. I think it's coming. Okay, thank you, no problem. Robert, what's up? Haha. Turbo is a global token, not a US only thing, right? You are right. Turbo actually started in Australia, right? It's an Australian token that will started from Rick Mankind, and he generated with Chat GPT, and it got listed on other exchanges outside the US. And I think Uphold picked it up first in the US, and now um, Binance is global. There's a Binance USA and there's a global Binance. Binance is one of the largest holders of cryptocurrency on the planet. If usage rate will cut, how do you know? I don't know, man. That's all we've been talking about day in and day out since what is this? June and July. When are they gonna cut the interest rate? Run it back. What's up, King Turbo? So I think something will hopefully something happens with the interest rate. Because if these guys keep uh not cutting the rate, I think things are gonna get weird, right? I think these guys need to do something just to keep from going crazy or madness in the streets. Turbo's number one meme coin of the bull run. Look at this beauty, Turbo. Legs and legs on the weekly. The train is leaving, is playing crypto. So this is the all the winners, top 10 project with the highest growth in the last 7 days. These projects have skyrocketed in the ecosystem. Number one, Turbo, Turbo Toad. We know those guys. Bonk, Rattle the Giraffe, Rav the Giraffe. What? What is going? NCP Solana, Shib, Cat with a Hat, Degent, half a Pepe. Pep. This is crazy. People are making meme out of anything. And let's see what this is. This is another quick video.
And urging listing on Robinhood. In the heart of the city, the Toad leads an energetic parade, bringing the Turbo community together in celebration of their quest for a Robinhood listing. Facing a sea of reporters, the Toad addresses the pressing questions about the future of the Turbo community and the hopes for a Robinhood listing. In a strategic meeting, the Toad collaborates with its advisors, mapping out a dynamic plan for advancing the Turbo community's interest on Robinhood. With overwhelming excitement, the Toad announces the approval of the Robinhood listing, igniting a wave of celebration within the Turbo community. Celebrated for its groundbreaking efforts, the Toad graces the cover of a financial magazine, heralding a new era for the Turbo community in the crypto world. The yellow Toad stands before the Turbo community, rallying them with enthusiasm and urging for a listing on Robinhood.
So now we're on to a listing from Robinhood, and this is about the live tonight, and it's Turbo Turn Up time. So let's see. Looked at the charts. Trying to check the market cap, but market cap is not on live. Let me see here if we can find live coin watch. Oh yeah, Turbo is definitely global, and I do see you're right. Russian, German, Philippines. I see a lot of Chinese and Japanese popping up also. So this is market cap 338.5 million. And I guess we can go back to coin market cap. I'm looking for exchanges. I'm kind of panicking when I go to sleep at night. I know, right? I've been thinking that too. Okay, straight up. So, what if Turbo does succeed, right? What if Turbo becomes the top meme coin of the bull run? Now everyone's looking at us for the next big thing, right? People are looking for us to be the new rainmaker. We got in Turbo and it went up, and now everybody's wondering what's the next pick we find. right? So I was encouraging you guys to join the Discord so we can get the information together and be ready for the next big thing, right? I think we've already discovered Turbo and we're waiting for everyone else to catch up. So now we need to be looking to the future. We need it in India and China. I want to say it is in China, actually. But Sonny, I'm available on it's available on something and Coin CX in India. Yeah, I know it's in China because I've been getting a lot of messages from different, I guess, countries or languages I have to translate. So I know it's definitely in China. I don't know how they're getting it in China. I don't know the actual exchange, but it's there. It's in like 70 exchanges. Over 70 exchanges. Sorry about that. So it's here, Binance number 1, Coinbase number 2, OKX, Bybit, Upbit, Creighton, Gate.io, HTX, Bitfinex, KuCoin, Mexi, BitGet, and Crypto.com. And let's see. I remember in the first bull run, I was only using Crypto.com, right? I didn't even know about these other exchanges. I didn't even know about other ways to get it. I didn't know about DEX tools. I wish I would have known half of what I know. Hell, even a quarter of what I know now, right? I'd probably be a multimillionaire somewhere buying islands and supporting campaign funds. The chat is acting crazy now, up and down. I don't know what happened tonight. What will happen tonight? The chat is acting crazy. It's acting crazy now, up and down. I don't know what will happen tonight. Yeah, it's gonna get weird. I don't know. That's all I can tell you. Things are getting strange. About to do a little something strange for a little piece of change. Let's go. Turbo turn up time. So let's see. I think we finished that. So let's check to see. Let's get to the videos. There's a lot of videos now. And that's what I also know. Like I told you guys, once your mom's sister's boyfriend's barber starts talking about it, everybody starts making Turbo videos. The interest is drawing into Turbo.
That is just different. Take a look at this. So yesterday there was that Binance listing, the KuCoin listing, I forgot what it's called, this other listing. And then today, look at this, more exchange listings. This is crazy. The king of listings. I'm
If it hits 1 cent by Friday, things are going to get crazy. Make sure you have your crypto on a cold storage somewhere. Get it off the exchange. Close your windows, lock your doors, get you a battery powered radio and post up. Get you a battery powered radio and a 6 pack and ride the wave. Here, Turbo's been in long when everything crashed. Happy as F. My liquidity is at zero from adding and playing with my leverage and percent. It's been stressful, but I don't care if it dips. Have 10,000. I don't care if it dips either. Actually, I want it to dip so I can grab some more, right? I can make another bag on the side bag of my side bag, right? Just a little extra money for the journey. And remember, turbo. I'm just trying to rebuild my community, but enjoy the journey, guys. It's going to be a lot going on. Things are going to get crazy. It's going to keep pumping. But remember where we started from, and remember all the fudders and the doubters and all the people that were anti turbo, and just smile, right? Be patient and continue to diamond hand it, right? Fist of diamonds.
telling you guys, the king of listings. That is Turbo. It is crazy. Yesterday,
What is this? 50 BPS rate cut tomorrow. Mark my words. I think you're right. It might be 2.5. I don't think it's going to be 7. But again, things are definitely going to be parabolic. So much alpha floating around, ready to explode. All we need him to do is say 50 BPS or 0.75, and things are going to get crazy. Lock the doors, close your windows, get a battery powered radio and a 6-pack, and let's take this thing to the moon. Put your seatbelts on and put your table to the full upright position and lock and load.
Today, a lot of people,
What's up, Cool 32 the Gamer? We here with the turbo turn up. Let's go.
they FOMO into the Nero on Ethereum, first Nero on Ethereum, and they also FOMO'd into what's it called? Baby Doge. Turbo on the day yesterday wasn't up all that much. I think the market cap ran from like 245 million to maybe like 300 million. So it wasn't a massive run in comparison to the other meme coins that got listed on Binance, KuCoin, and all those other things, right? But Turbo, for the most part, was probably up just a little bit, maybe like 20, 30% in the last 24 hours. I mean, yesterday was probably up somewhere around there. But today, it continues to pump because there's more exchange listings. And I'm telling you guys, this meme coin is going to make people an insane amount of money. I can't wait until this thing hits in the $1 billion mark and it's in the top 100 on CoinMarketCap. I can't wait to see that. I mean, if you take a look at the charts, and actually the market cap right now is 338 million on the day. How much is it up? On the day, it's up 11.5%. So it pulled back just a little bit because it reached as high as 0.0055, and right now it's at 0.0052. I've showed you guys a chart on this many times for those who have been following my Turbo videos. I've said how Turbo has literally been trading in this area for what feels like a lifetime, from like July, even before that, like June 18th, basically. It's been trading from like 3.4, 0.0034-ish area, or as low as like 0.0031. But it touched here so many times. It touched here, like it was right here, touched here again here, touched here again here, so many times over here. Like it just kept bouncing off of this support area and going back up. As like anyone that wants to trade this one, you could probably easily swing trade it, have your long-term position, have your short-term position in Turbo. And now it finally looks like it might be starting to make its next leg up. I am hoping that's what we're about to see. All these exchange listings, I have big hopes for this one. This is a meme coin that I can see exploding, and people are going to be shocked. The ones that's not in it, us Turbo investors, we know what we're holding, but the ones that's not in it, I think they're going to be shocked, and they're going to chase this thing the same way they
Know what you hold, guys. Turbo is something different, right? It's not the run of mill meme coin. It's not managed by some Dr. Evil corporation, right? We know who runs it. We know who's behind it. There's no rug pulls. There's no shady backing. There's no additional, I don't know, investors or some whale in the back ready to dump, right? I think Turbo is going to go. But let me know what you guys think about that as well. And I was about to pull it. What was I looking at? I was going to pull something up. What was it?
chase down Pepe the same way they chase down Shiba Inu, the same way they chase down Doge. They're going to be chasing down Turbo, in my opinion. Now, I've showed you guys this indicator many times. For those of you that's been following me, It shows you when's a good time to buy and sell crypto. Also shows you when there's a bullish and bearish momentum that's being fired on any particular coin, right? This trade assist, and I'll leave a link to it in my description down below. Now, if we take a look at what's going on this indicator here, so you can see it still had a whole bunch of sell zones that was being fired, right? Not a bullish momentum was fired until now, because September 17th, we finally got our first bullish momentum, and it's been a very long time. Because if you go all the way back out on this 4-hour time frame, you can see the last bullish momentum was fired all the way back here in July. July 19th was the last bullish momentum that was fired. And now we have another one that's being fired right now. So I think that this could be it, guys. This could be the breakout that we've all been waiting for. Now let's check the daily. So on the daily, the last bullish momentum was in May, and the daily is not showing that a bullish momentum occurred as of yet, but that is okay. I think that this, oh man, honestly, I'm just excited to see where they're going. I was very kind of disappointed yesterday with the mini pump up turbo because I expected it to pump a lot more because everyone's been waiting for that Binance listing. And it's like it comes and
That's what I was wondering too. But the market as a whole has been down, right? It's not like there's a lot of Bitcoin pumping into the market and things are going crazy. The stock market's been kind of flat. Bitcoin's not really running. I think it's at was it 60 something thousand? And these guys are saying 100,000. So when the Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin AI? When the Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin AI actually? Yeah, 60,600, up 4% today. So it went from 58,000 to 61,000, came back down. I think Turbo will have a lot of multipliers, more multipliers than Caspa this bull run. You are right. Tomorrow we will be the big pump. Tomorrow will be the big pump. I don't know. We're definitely gonna see, like you said, haha, it's hard to even sleep now, right? The way things are going. I'm waiting for that one crazy pump, and I want to make sure take some profits. I don't want to not take profits and then it come back down, or it continues to pump. I don't want to take profits too early, but I don't want to miss the profits either. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think or when you might take profits. I need to sleep, but I can't because it's like this. Yeah, well, you're gonna have to take a break sometime, bro. Go for a walk, take a nap, rest, re-energize, and come back full force. Let me see here. Just checking the Discord real quick. Turbo is over half a penny. Shout out to Art. Uh, Glad you got it working. Just some information. A disclaimer is going to be pushed out, hopefully, from diving into leaders that aren't accurate. Are backed up 2 to 3. What? The heat map is not to be used real-time data, but all coin data is accurate aside from the daily mint count. Oh wow. I was reading something about KRC20. Yeah, when Bitcoin and Ethereum goes back to the state it was back in March, April, we'll see things move. Yeah, we're pre-pump. What's your prediction for the bull run? Tiger, what up, Justin? Um, I don't know. It keeps changing every day, back and forth, back and forth. I guess maybe 10 cents, give or take. but I know that's kind of
We
moo
barely
boyish.
get a pump. So that was a little bit disappointing. But today, the pump continues. So that's definitely great to see. So congrats to everyone that's holding turbo. I think that we're all going to do fine. But remember, none of this is financial.
Yeah, I think we're gonna make out like some fat rats, guys. But like you said, this is not financial advice. Moving forward, this is Ro. Let's see what Ro had to think. Thanks for the super chat. Thanks for the great content, BTM Turbo Turn Up Time. Thank you for Giles for the super chat. I really appreciate the super chat. Really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, supporting BTM, trying to help me rebuild the community on the Turbo Turn Up Time. Let's go.
Token is finally having that break over half a penny that we've been anticipating for so long. What a beautiful day in the markets it is for everyone that holds turbo. Guys, I've been covering turbo for the past 4-5 months consistently, and it looks like it's finally paying off. You know, a lot of people would even ask me, why do you keep covering every single day? And it's for reasons like this. I love the community, I believe in the token, and I know it's going to do really, really well. What is going on, guys? My name is Ro. If you're new to the channel, I cover the latest and the greatest crypto content, trying to help you guys make a 10, 20, 50, or even 100x in this bull cycle. Look, I was here in the market since 2017, and it's hard to do it alone. In 2021, I leveraged a lot of other YouTubers to basically help me in my journey for crypto, and that is how I made majority of my gains. So in 2024, I'm here to do the same thing for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but use these videos as a piece or a tool in your toolbox when deciding what cryptos to get into. And without further ado, let's talk about Turbo, because very exciting news. I mean, guys, we're up 15% in the last 24 hours. There aren't a lot of other cryptos that are pumping the way this thing is pumping. What sets it apart is the tokenomics, docs dev, AI generated meme coin. It's a crowd-funded launch. The community had a huge impact in picking the name, even picking the logo, and it's come a long way. The community behind Turbo is one of the biggest and the strongest and one of the most cult-like communities that there are. Also, you know, Turbo, the team, the marketing side of everything, they're some of the most proactive people, one of the most proactive teams I am aware of. I haven't seen any other teams like Turbo do announcements daily, come out with sponsorships, announcements, collaborations, exchange listings as often as Turbo, which is why I'm super bullish on them, which is why I've been covering them for the past 3-4 months, you know, religiously to be completely honest. I haven't missed a day. Actually, I lied. I missed one day of covering Turbo in the past 5 months. And even though the price, you know, was kind of stagnant in the last couple months, listen, I believe in the long-term perspective. I look at the long term for Turbo, and the long term is telling me Turbo is going to at least 10 cents. Now, obviously, you guys already know that, boom, we had that Binance listing, we had a KuCoin listing, and, you know, I'm even surprised because we came out with even more listings today in the last 24 hours. Okay, it's right. In the last 48 hours, we came out with 6 exchange listings. That is insane. I don't think that's even heard of. Okay, that is monumental. Now, this demand area that I marked off a really long time ago, you guys can see it is holding up really well. I marked this off, I want to say in July, right? And now it's September. You can see here it's reacting really well. Demand just basically, instead of a support area where it's just a line, a demand area is an entire area. That's why you can see the candles, you know, they might have wicked down but did not close below it. They closed in it, boom, and then bounced up again. Again, another wick to the downside, but it did not hold. You can see the bounce to the upside. And again, another wick down, but it will not close below it because there's too much buying, too much volume in this area, propelling the price of Turbo to the upside. Now, you guys can see here, the volume is 36. Now, this is a 211 market cap crypto, okay? Sorry, number 211 in terms of market cap.
I'm really talking. That's not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. But I think you are right. Um, take profits after the all-time high. King Turbo, before the halving, Bitcoin was 63,000, 465. Turbo was 005. So BTC is still 3K down from that point, and Turbo's also that price right now. When BTC returns to 63K, we will be around 0.007 plus. In my opinion, you're right. Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the ships. So as Bitcoin comes up, so will everything else. And at Turbo being the top ship right now, when the wave comes in, we are going to float on out, right? We're going to ride the current back into the ocean. A 10-cent Turbo will be about an 8 billion market cap. I'm thinking more like 25 billion or more. Wow. I did think maybe 30 billion. I think what was it? Find my little number sheet here.
But look at the volume. The volume is top 50, top 40, if that's even a thing, okay? $166 million in terms of total trading volume in the last 24 hours. What other top 200 crypto, or what other crypto that's past the 200 spot has that much trading volume and consistently been top 100 in terms of daily volume? Turbo is not Turbo is not a meme coin that you want to fade. This thing has a lot of potential to print you guys some returns for this bull run. And again, the next listings that I was talking about that came out, Toko Crypto. I believe, where's this one from? Where is this? Indonesia? I know it's somewhere in Asia, if I'm not mistaken. Jakarta, I think that's India, right? If I'm not mistaken. Someone correct me down in the comments below. No, it is Indonesia, okay? I was mistaken. So yes, they are an Indonesian crypto exchange. The biggest, why did I not just read Exchange Indonesia at the top? The biggest exchange in Indonesia has also listed Turbo. Again, super bullish. Caleb M. Brown has gone ahead and listed Turbo as well. This makes the 2 that came out today and 4 came out yesterday. You guys already know. KuCoin and Binance being the biggest ones out there. And look at this guy. He posted, Turbo is really pumping hard. The community is different with this meme coin. Great tokenomics, great narrative, docs dev, huge tier 1 listings, and more are going to come. You guys should definitely go over to this guy's page and drop him a follow. Seems like a very smart guy. Turbo, the price reacted to the support zone in wave 2, but is moving to the upside in a choppy structure. A break above 2051 would indicate that wave 3 is already unfolding. Target should be 207 price action level. Again, 207 would be amazing to see. I hope you guys are one of the people that bought at 203 when I was yelling and screaming at you guys to get into these markets, because this is not going to last forever. Historically, September has been a month of discounts. Nobody knew that these tier 1 listings were going to come in September, but it looks like it was honestly just a gift from God for you guys to load up at such low prices. Now listen, guys. All of this is just making me think that Coinbase is right around the corner. We are entering into Q4 of 2024, and Q4 historically has been a month where a lot of things happen in crypto, right? Elections are coming up, and historically, after elections, we do see a pretty good rise in the crypto markets, and I believe that is exactly what's going to happen. The FOMC meeting is also happening. I'm super excited for that, because that also means that, we're going to get a rate cut, and based off of how much that rate cut is, it could positively impact crypto and all your favorite meme coins. So there's a lot of bullish news coming out from the crypto markets as of recently, and the economy. And listen, you guys know one of the candidates that are there for the presidential election in America is pro crypto. And just imagine if he wins, the insane influx or inflow of cash that is going to come into these markets just solely based on the fact that Trump is endorsing it. Now, fellas, one thing I need you guys to remember is that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. So take it with a grain of salt. Do not take this as set in stone. Use it as a tool in your toolbox. When building a house, you use several tools. In the same way, when you're doing market research, when you're buying a crypto, don't only rely on one tool. Do your research, be diligent investors, and be educated. At the end of the day, that's all I'm trying to help you guys do, is just to be better investors. Okay, I always say this: time in the markets is better than trying to time the markets. Now, again, I just want to say these videos are for entertainment, but if you enjoyed, smash the like.
Shout out to Ro for making a video 3 times a day, every day. This might be the hardest working guy in crypto. So shout out to Ro, and he's right. I think the pump is coming. It is imminent, right? Let me know what you guys think. The good thing is people predict BTC at 100K within a year. Imagine what Turbo would be. LMFO 10 cents easy. Easy 10 cents.
So
I was looking for
Turbo
my
right
little
now
market
is looking
cap
good. We're
chart,
pumping back up
but I
to the
couldn't
top
find it.
of our bull flag pattern here. Now, what to watch and what to take away from this is simply we are over that first resistance here. I turned it green. So as long as you're over 0047, the price on Turbo to beat is that 0060 level that we've had on the chart for a very long time. Keep in mind, though, even though we are coming back up here, it looks good. We could still come right up here to that level, hit the top of this flag pattern, and still get stuck and then come right back down to the bottom of the pattern here. So just be aware of that. Until you get over 0060 and hold that as support over this red resistance line here, we can be bullish short term here, but that's the macro target we want to get over. And then Turbo will take a shot, in my opinion, at least, to that $1 billion market cap here. So watch 47 for support and then 60 for that resistance here. And of course, it can wick above it a little bit and still come right back down. But we're going to watch it here. We really want a weekly candle to close above 60 on Turbo. Now, with those targets being mentioned there, you can see that if we pull this down, that $1 billion market cap from today up to that 1.5 pennies gives you a 178% move here. And we'll see if we can hit that out of this pattern here. And we've pointed this out many, many times in the past that every time we are in these bullish patterns here, the triangle, we had a decent move. The falling wedge here, we had a massive move. So on this large bull flag pattern here, hopefully we get a very good move out. And we're looking for that 1.5 pennies and maybe 3 penny, $2.2 billion market cap there on Turbo for its next big leg up here. And you can see that's about a 6x from where we are today out of this pattern, if it is going to break out over that 60 level. Now, for how high can this thing go in 2025? You can see we do have that 5 billion market cap we put up on the chart a while back, takes you up to 8 pennies. Just for a visual here, a lot of people I saw back in the day, at least, were calling for a 5 billion.
Look at big time crypto up 106% in the week chart. Look at big time crypto. Big time crypto is a is that an actual token?
Market cap on Turbo, and that will take you up to 8 pennies and give you about a 15x on your investment. And then of course we do have the fib that is over the 1618 at 3, takes you up to 41, potentially a $26 billion market cap and a very decent almost 75x on your investment here from today on Turbo. So looking good right now. Just keep an eye on those prices. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
That was a quick video. Shout out to the Crypto Undead. Moving forward, this is the Crypto Undead again? What the? Yeah, big time crypto. Big time. Let me see. What happened here? Is it the same video? Oh, no, my man Gasper. Let's see what he's talking about.
Because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Turbo has had that big listing, right, from Binance, obviously. That is the peak of the peak. So let me open up right now Turbo. I was looking at all the memes. Everything's red. Turbo's green. maybe by the time this video comes out, could be absolutely different. You know, everything's green, but whatever. The point here is we've had this. What's next? The next stage is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is quite difficult, not gonna lie. We all want to hear, you know, when Coinbase, we need to complete, you know, the whole puzzle here. Okay. Now, Coinbase could take time, but I think Coinbase does monitor very, very closely what Binance is doing. Coinbase is not very popular with meme coins. We all know that. Okay. It's going to take something special. Pepe itself is still fighting to get there, but with the community that Turbo has, with the type of volume it's producing, if Coinbase does not list Turbo, it could potentially, you know, really kind of lose that spot that it's in, where it's considered, you know, the top one or top two exchanges, because it's not catering for its investors, for its people. Everyone wants to see Turbo up there, so they have to listen to the demands. Simple as that. Okay. Some people are even saying, hey, Turbo could even have a better chance of getting listed than Pepe. Why not? Okay. Anything is possible. Beautiful story, humble beginnings, AI meme. Really like how, you know, it came out of nowhere. Why can't I get a Coinbase listing? Or at least with Pepe out there, look, Coinbase is going to win so much out of it. We all know what is going to happen. First of all, Coinbase, ladies and gentlemen, is going to experience some real money, okay, from the trading fees. They have lots of investors that.
Wait a minute. Stock holiday? When does stock holiday call this? Call big time. I'll actually be watching the stock holiday videos. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
And what is this big time? Hold up. Hold up. Rewind. What is this? Let me see here. Actually, I didn't see a stock holiday video in a while. That is weird. Let me see here. You're right. He is talking about 40 minutes ago.
If you have at least $50,000 saved for retirement right now in 2024, did you know that you can become your bank? Yes.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Today, as always, another full day deep into the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin right now is sitting still just above $60,000. Currently, right now, we're $60,261, up just a little bit. A few days ago, we were at $58,000. FOMC meetings are in full effect. Day one has been finished. Day two will continue tomorrow. Expecting the Feds to cut interest rates. Will they cut the interest rates by 25 basis points, or will it be cut by 50 basis points is the question that is on the table right now. Me personally hope it's 25 basis points, so they'll still continue to have more cuts that could be made. Don't make the whole 50 at one time. I'll take 25 here, and then another few months down the line, I'll take another 25 basis point cut. But
yeah, I'm with him on that. Dang, stock. You're right. This fool is up 39% today. What is this? Almost 40% at 16 cents. A 5 billion total supply. How did I miss this? What the freak? 180 million.7 market cap. What is this? What the freak is big time? I don't know. I got to check this out. This is actually a pretty good pick, stock.
currently, right now, the Bitcoin dominance is at 57.2, folks. You know, the Bitcoin dominance is one of the main indicators that we've been paying attention to. This thing is creeping up on the daily basis. Currently, right now, we are in the 57 percentile range. Excellent. We are looking for 59%, 60% Bitcoin dominance. Then after that, we expect the altcoins to run like heck. So we're going to continue to watch it. We're going to continue to root for the Bitcoin dominance to pump, to increase. The fear and greed index is at 38. We're not worried about that. If folks want to be scared and sit on the sideline, shouts out to them, salute to them. But as for us, we are buying the dips, taking advantage of these pumps, watching our portfolios starts to increase, watching our coins start to increase as well. Ethereum still holding its own, $2,300. Ethereum dominance 13.5%. Now, the coin of the day is none other than Big Time. Big Time is a fairly new doggone cryptocurrency coin. Currently, right now, Big Time is at 17 cents. Big Time is up 45%.
Dang, if you guys had all this alpha, why nobody put it in the Discord? Somebody say something. Man, I'm just trying to rebuild the community. And you guys are holding back on me. What's really going on?
On a day, it's been killing it, killing it, killing it. Million market cap for this doggone coin, $183 million market cap. This coin have been performing well as of lately. Over there in the Patreon, I dropped this doggone coin and I put a post when this coin hit about 6 or 7 cents just a few weeks ago. I said, hey, you guys may want to take advantage of this. This doggone thing done dropped real hard from its all-time high, 6 cents. If you would have got in it right there just about 10 days ago, 7 days ago, this thing was at 6 cents. Currently, right now, it's 17 cents, almost a 3x in a matter of 10 days. Outstanding performance by Big Time. That's why I say, we've been buying Big Time, since it was 25 cents, 30 cents. We ran it all the way up. It hit almost $1 in December 2023. So if we was trusting Big Time and believing in it when we were buying at 30 cents, you think we won't be buying it when it got to 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents? We buying it up. If you find a coin that you got conviction in, that you trust, know, and love, dollar cost averaging is so important. When it was 6 cents, 7 cents, boom, we was loading up the boat, So that is how you dominate a bull market. Take advantage of these lows, take advantage of these dips, because when they do start to recover, your portfolio will thank you. So this coin came out October 2023. Brand new coin, came out about 14 cents. The end of December, beginning of December, this coin ran up to almost $1. So it immediately came out the gate, flexing, doing its thing, showing that it's the new coin on the block, saying, what's up, Bitcoin? What up, Ethereum? All that other stuff. It came out blasting, doing a 8x in a matter of 2 months. Then from there, it started to make a decline. It started to correct, started to pull back as much as 6 cents, most recently, the beginning of September. Now it's heading back in the upper direction, getting ready to claim its previous all-time high of 98 cents, 99 cents, whatever it got to, and it will be surpassing those levels. So when we saw this coin hit 6 cents, it was like, you know what, it's a no-brainer. As this thing been dipping down, we were dollar cost averaging. When it hit 9 cents, when it hit 8 cents, 7 cents, we were just dollar cost averaging in, because we know this play will perform well, already perform well. Like I mentioned before, typically the doggone coins that come out fairly brand new, that will be experiencing its first Bitcoin bull market, will be experiencing its first altcoin season. These are the coins that can really make you and take your portfolio to great levels where you are making.
Oh wow, I need to research this. Where do you get Big Time at?
They could actually, recommend Turbo. And having Coinbase up here is definitely going to benefit everyone. Okay. Coinbase wants to get its brand out there. Simple as that. And I think Turbo will help. And obviously Coinbase will help Turbo. So it's a win-win situation. Both can and will give each other the exposure they deserve. So it's a matter of time. Guys, just think about it logically. It's a matter of time until it gets the listing. They want to be ready before the altcoin season. Altcoin season is going to go heavy. It's going to go just mental. It's going to be something that we've never seen before in the crypto world. Okay, and big targets are going to be met, reached. Okay, and everything that I have and am saying is going to come into reality. Who does not want to take advantage of this type of volume? Coinbase is out there to serve the people. So if it's producing that volume, there's interest. If holders are going up, there's interest. Coinbase
It appears it's on uphold as well.
needs to basically jump on this, because this is an absolute gold mine, and they will. And believe me, not only that, a lot of other exchanges are going to be jumping in and right now listing Turbo because of that Binance effect. The Binance effect is very, very strong. It's crucial. So you really want to, make that 100x in this bull cycle, this bull run. Jump in on this. 290 million market cap, could be higher by the time I make this video, release it. But the point here is that there's just so much room for growth. So if you want to see your portfolio grow, if you want to change your life, you want to escape the routine, here it is. This is the chance. I know, a lot of you wished to go in here. Hey, not everyone was able to do so, but it's fine. You could start going in here. You could start going in here. You see how there's so many support lines for you to go in. So really take advantage of it. Also, make sure you subscribe and turn that notifications bell on, because I'm going to be producing a lot of content in regards to Turbo. I think we're going to see a lot of KOLs, a lot of influencers. Everybody's talking about Turbo. We're talking for the good. Okay. Why are we talking about this? Me personally, because I know it's going to make you a lot of money. So my reputation, my channel, me, Gossipator. So, right, this is my channel name. We depend. Okay, we as in all the influencers as well depend on our advice, because it should pay off in the future. And if it does, I get more followers, I get more views. For me, it's a win. For you guys, it's a win because you make money. You see how I have to pick the right
Yeah, just trying to rebuild the community, trying to help you guys win so we can win, so we can all win together, right? If we win and you win and I win and we win together, we can grow. Just trying to build some generational wealth. Turbo, how we doing BTM? We are pumping. Looking at this earlier. Oh wow, it's still going up. Oh wow. What is this? 0051. 331 million market cap. Just trying to rebuild the community. So that was Gossiper.
coins, the right tokens. So here it is, guys. Coinbase could be coming, and we could be seeing another very, very strong pump. So if you're not taking advantage of these dips, and these are dips, if you're not DCing, I don't know what on earth you're doing, because I am taking advantage of everything. I want to see these zeros disappear. Okay, these zeros. I want to see Turbo reach crazy market caps, and I believe so, because the last bull run, SHIB does 40 billion, Doge does 80 billion, with less interest in crypto, less money, and so on. That was 4 years ago. Now the time is very different. People are so hyped up. They believe this bull run is going to be life-changing. So let's do this. Okay, guys, let's do this. Really, don't sleep on these opportunities. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Pay attention, crypto gossip.
Absolutely boom the price of Turbo. It is currently pumping as well, and it will go a lot higher. We're going to be talking about this crazy Binance listing that Turbo has now gotten a crazy new milestone set for Turbo. So without wasting more time, before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo and what your goals are for Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you do want to trade any of these cryptos, do make sure to check out the link down in the description to Margex. You could get up to a $10,000 bonus when signing up, so do make sure to check it out and start trading today. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen currently looking at Turbo at crazy prices, currently at 0.05332, up around 17% in just the past 24 hours. We could see it was flat, and then we see this huge crazy upwards movement. Market cap all the way up to 343 million, absolutely crazy, growing as well. And volume at 175 million. You could see that's about 50% of the total market cap. Absolutely crazy volume we're seeing since of the new exchange listing. We already know this is an Ethereum coin. They do up their website every now and then. And we could see finally, officially, we have the 70 plus spot exchanges, and we could see Binance on here. We see these major exchanges as well: KuCoin, Kraken, OKX, and many, many others where you could trade this coin as well. And if we look at Turbo on here, it has 76,000 followers on. We could see how many new updates it's getting, and many other exchanges are listing this coin as well. We could see Caleb and Brown. We could see Turbo trading is now live on KuCoin, on Binance, and on major exchanges as well. We could see these smaller exchanges getting into Turbo as well. So many new things. And this right here is the official announcement by Binance that it will be listing Nairo on Ethereum, Turbo Toad token, and Baby Dogecoin. So this was the original post by Binance. We could see Turbo right here. We have talked about Baby Doge on our channel before, and Nairo, which was a bit surprising because this wasn't the Nairo that was pumping into the market. This one, I believe, is on Ethereum. And we're going to be taking a look at that in another video. But this video is about Turbo, this crazy bullish. Another sign that this coin, this token will be huge in the future as well, even after these crazy exchange listings. So we are on a tier 1 exchange now. Absolutely crazy. We could see price up 15-17%, weekly up 34%. We could see this was around the announcement and it has gone up crazy since that announcement as well. If we look at the community sentiment, 92% bullish. So crazy numbers in terms of community as well. We could see the holders of this coin are increasing, which is another good sign that people are getting into this coin. Run over a cent, bullish. We could see people looking at the graphs as well. We've seen the breakout in Turbo, super bullish, going to $50 billion market cap by 2025. Very bullish on this coin, never lost his sight. So if you were updated on the channel, you would have seen the Turbo videos where we talked about Turbo on how bullish it is. So if you got in by watching one of those videos, by now you would have had crazy gains. And even further into the future, you will see even bigger exchanges. We could see this was, I believe, right here was our spot listing, and the price has absolutely boomed after that. Well, we could see I'm bullish. We can't believe this meme coin. Great new exchange listing as well. After following Binance, there has been many exchanges that listed this coin as well. You can see KuCoin was the recent one. Binance was the biggest one. Currently, the top exchange in the whole world is listing Turbo. So we could already see the amount of potential that Turbo still has. Even with a $341 million market cap, this is nothing compared to how much potential it has and to the number it could go up to. So crazy gains coming for Turbo. This absolutely crazy announcement has pumped up the market, and we will see even bigger gains coming into the future. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about Turbo getting the new Binance listing. Absolutely bullish coin. As you already know, we talked about this coin a bunch of times on the channel before. So if you...
So shout out to Wealth Magnet Hub. And I think we're going to stop here. Let me see. Trying to figure out which one do we end with. I guess we'll try the crypto one, dude.
Turbo here. So Turbo right now is looking good. We're pumping back up to the top of our bull flag pattern here. Now, what to watch and what to take away from this is simply we are over that first resistance here. I turned it green. So as long as you're over 0047, the price on Turbo to beat is that 0060 level that we've had on the chart for a very long time. Keep in mind, though, even though we are coming back up here, it looks good. We could still come right up here to that level, hit the top of this flag pattern, and still get stuck and then come right back down to the bottom of the pattern here. So just be aware of that. Until you get over 0060 and hold that as support over this red resistance line here, we can be bullish short term here, but that's the macro target we want to get over. And then Turbo will take a shot, in my opinion, at least, to that $1 billion market cap here. So watch 47 for support and then 60 for that resistance here. And of course, it can wick above it a little bit and still come right back down. But we're going to watch it here. We really want a weekly candle to close above 60 on Turbo. Now, with those targets being mentioned there, you can see that if we pull this down, that $1 billion market cap from today up to that 1.5 penny gives you a 178% move here. And we'll see if we can hit that out of this pattern here. And we've pointed this out many, many times in the past that every time we are in these bullish patterns here, the triangle, we had a decent move. The falling wedge here, we had a massive move. So on this large bull flag pattern here, hopefully we get a very good move out. And we're looking for that 1.5 penny and maybe 3 penny, $2.2 billion market cap there on Turbo, where its next big leg up here. And you can see that's about a 6x from where we are today out of this pattern, if it is going to break out over that 60 level. Now, for how high can this thing go in 2025? You can see we do have that 5 billion market cap we put up on the chart a while back, takes you up to 8 pennies. Just for a visual here, a lot of people I saw back in the day, at least, were calling for a 5 billion market cap on Turbo, and that will take you up to 8 pennies and give you about a 15x on your investment. And then, of course, we do have the fib that is over the 1618 at 3, takes you up to 41, potentially a $26 billion market cap, and a very decent almost 75x on your investment here from today on Turbo. So looking good right now. Just keep an eye on those prices. None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
All right. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for supporting BTM. Thanks for the super chat. And thanks for all your support. Going to be a big day tomorrow with the FOMC meeting and the announcement of the interest rate cut. So I see you guys tomorrow evening. This is Black Tiger Miners signing out. Peace and hair grease. And let's get back to the money, because I'm just trying to rebuild my community. Shout out to all Turbo Toad community, Turbo Toad warriors, the Turbo Toad turn up. And see you guys tomorrow. Same bat channel, same bat time. And hopefully they cut the interest rate and we start to push. But we'll know then. And remember, guys, stay dangerous. Peace out.